everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to fix when your Google Play Store has stopped working. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to fix Google Play Store when it has stopped functioning, the first thing to do is to check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, and once you are, go and tab open your Google Play Store and see if it fixes the issue. If you have a strong internet connection and you're still not being able to operate Google Play Store, then the next thing to do is to clear the Google Play app cache. To do so, you'll need to go to Settings from your phone and under Settings, select Apps. From the list of the apps displayed, search for Google Play Store. Once you end up in the App Info page, under Users, select Storage. In order to clear cache for your Google Play Store, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner. You can also clear your data by tapping on Clear Data at the bottom left, and then go back to Play Store and see if that fixes your issue. The next thing to do is to try restarting your phone. Simply go ahead and restart your phone and come back to your home screen of your phone. Now go back to your Google Play Store application and see if that fixes your issue. Sometimes restarting your phone will help in quick resetting your system, and that might help you solve the issue immediately. If you've tried everything that I have mentioned but still you're not being able to make your Google Play Store work, the last thing to try out is to remove and add Google account one more time. Go to your settings from your phone and under Settings, tap on Accounts and Backup. From this menu, go to Accounts, select the account from the list that you'd like to remove. Now tap on Remove Account. After you do that, the phone will issue a prompt telling you that every data linked to the account will be wiped after this action. Once you tap on Remove Account, your Google account will be removed. Now, simply go back to Settings, tap on Accounts and Backup, select Account one more time, scroll all the way down and tap on Add Account. Choose Google from this page and add a new Google account. Simply type in the email or phone number that is associated with your Google account. Tap on Next and enter your password for your Google account. Tap on Next one more time and you'll be able to add a Google account on your phone. Now go back to Play Store and see if that fixes your issue. That is how you can try out some fixes for your Google Play Store whenever it has stopped out of nowhere. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.